Hi, I'd like to go to the Grand Hotel, please.
Sure, please get in.
How much will the ride cost?
It should be around $15.
How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Could you take the fastest route?
Of course. I'll take the quickest route.
Could you turn left at the next street?
Yes, I'll turn left at the next street.
Could you drop me off near the main entrance?
Sure, I can drop you right in front of it.
Could you wait here for 5 minutes?
Sure, no problem.
Can you turn on the air conditioning?
Sure, I'll turn it on now.
Could you lower the music, please?
Of course, I'll turn it down.
Is there a good coffee shop nearby?
Yes, there's a popular coffee shop a few minutes from here.
Do you know a good restaurant near the hotel?
Yes, there's a nice restaurant just a few minutes away.
Could you stop at the gas station?
Sure, there's one just ahead.
Can we avoid the traffic?
I'll take another street to avoid it.
How much longer will it take?
About 10 more minutes.
Could you take the highway?
Yes, the highway should be faster.
Wait, I think I left my phone somewhere.
Let's check the front seat area.
Oh, here it is.
Great, glad you found it.
Could you stop here for a moment?
Sure, I'll pull over safely.
Thank you for helping me.
You're very welcome.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, the card machine is right here.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, here's my card.
I may need another taxi tomorrow.
Feel free to call me if you need a ride.
I'll call you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good. I'll be available.
Is the hotel entrance just ahead?
Yes, it's right in front of us.
Please stop here. This is perfect.
Sure, I'll stop right here.
Thank you for the ride. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
As you saw in today's video, we learned how to talk to a taxi driver in English. You can practice these sentences again and again to improve your English. Try to speak English according to the situation. When you learn English through real-life situations, speaking becomes much easier. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to Master English channel so we can meet again in our next video. See you next time!